9 a.m. It's 12 noon, still no sign of snow. Everyone is out, the roads are busy, but I think we're ready as we can be. All of our outdoor adventures are done for now, so we're just waiting for the snow to come. It's 1 o'clock and the first tiny little snowflakes, which you probably can't even see, are falling. It's like little, barely anything. It's 2 o'clock now. You can see a lot's changed in the last hour. It's snowing pretty good now. And it's 3 p.m. now. Oh, there's some birds. Right now I'm cooking 2 things in case the power goes out. Making beef ribs, slow cooking them so I can add barbecue sauce. And beef, I can't pronounce it. It's a French dish, beef bourguignon, or I don't know. I will show you. Now it's 4 o'clock. We do our first measurement. What is it, Sammy?
Almost 2 inches.
Cool. Now Sammy's gonna shovel the sidewalk because we're gonna have to shovel it all night long. It's 5:30. You can barely tell that Sammy shoveled before, so he's going at it again. Good luck, Sammy. The ribs came out so good. It's 7:30 and it's coming down. 30. It sounds a little bit icy. A little bit of a mix going on. Footprints because we had some visitors. Woo, the wind! Sammy's measuring the snow on the deck. What does it say, Sammy? Let me see. Bring it over here.
5 inches.
Only 5 inches? 5 inches at 8:30 p.m. What are you going to? Are you going to change your answer?
Wait. I don't get the stick.
You don't get the stick?
It
okay.
says 2, 2.
1. That's a 1.
This?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What was the answer? What is it? Try one more time.
6.
6 inches.
Wait, no.
What?
4.5.
4.5. Okay, but the wind is starting to pick up, so get back inside.
No, I'm doing one more test.
Okay, I'm gonna close the door now. Okay. Love you. Bye. Don't freeze in the blizzard. Snow angels on the deck. Snow angel. If you can see something, I can't really, but oh, there he goes again. Okay, my whole screen's getting covered with snow.
Oh, so it's my face!
Yeah, you need to come back in the house.